Who could it be? Green, go round and guess with me. Behind the bush or behind the tree. Who could it possibly be? Let's look close. 1, 2, 3. Hey, you hear that stomp, stomp, stomp? Something big goes thump, thump, thump. Green tail moving, swish, swish, swish. Footsteps sound like squish, squish, squish. Who is hiding? Can you see? It's a dinosaur! Hello, Dino, come and play. Let's stomp, stomp, stomp today. Wait a minute, what's that sound? Splash, splash, splash upon the ground. Water flying in the air. Giggles echo everywhere. Who is playing by the tree? Let's look close. 1, 2, 3. It's an elephant. Hello, all our friends, stay out, play. Splashy fun all through the day. Hold on, did something jump? Boing, boing with a bump. Swinging high from tree to tree. Laughing loud, hee hee hee. Who is that so fast and free? It's a monkey! Hello, monkey, jump and play. Swing, swing, swing all day. Listen close, what do we hear? Woof, 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 coming near. Little paws run tap, tap, tap. Happy tail goes clap, clap, clap. Who is running happily? It's a puppy! Hello, puppy, jump and play. Sweats, run, run, run today. Wait, 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 look down low. Something hops in the grass below. Hop, 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 so quick and funny. Soft and fluffy, little bunny. Who is hopping near the tree? It's a bunny! Hello, bunny, hop with me. Hop, 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 1, 2, 3. Who is hiding? Now we know. Dino, elephant, say hello. Monkey, puppy, bunny too. All our friends came out for you. Clap your hands and shout hooray. Let's play hide and seek today.